In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your webcam is correctly set up in Zoom for those all-important video calls. Whether you're gearing up for a meeting or a virtual get-together with friends, it's important to check your webcam settings to avoid any last-minute hiccups. First, you'll want to open the Zoom application on your device. Once you have Zoom open and ready to go, look towards the upper right corner. You'll see a small gear icon. Clicking on this will take you directly into Zoom's settings menu. Think of this area as the control center for all your Zoom preferences, where you can tweak various settings to suit your particular needs. In this context, we're interested in the settings related to your video. Now that you're in the settings menu, find and select the video option from the list displayed on the left-hand side. This will open up a range of video settings on the right. Here's where you can manage how your video feed is displayed during a call. As you look at the video section, direct your attention to the first option, which is the camera setting. Here you must ensure that your actual webcam is selected as the video input device. You'll notice a drop-down menu under the camera section. Click on this menu to see a list of available cameras. It's important for your webcam to be connected and recognized by your device, so make sure to pick your specific webcam from this list. This ensures that Zoom will use the correct hardware to broadcast your video to others in the meeting. However, if you see the word None appear in this drop-down menu, it's an indication that Zoom isn't detecting any camera. This can be a common issue, but there are several potential solutions. Start by checking that your webcam is properly connected to your computer. If it's an external device, ensure the cable is secure and the device is powered on. For internal webcams, try restarting your computer, which can sometimes help the system recognize the webcam again. If restarting doesn't solve the issue, confirm that no other application is using the webcam, as some applications may hog the camera, making it unavailable to Zoom. Likewise, you might want to check your device's privacy settings, particularly if you're using a Windows or Mac OS system, to make sure camera access is allowed for Zoom. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to guarantee your webcam is correctly set up and ready to go for your next Zoom session. Taking these few moments to verify everything in advance will save you from any surprises when you're about to connect. I hope this guide helps streamline your experience on Zoom, making your meetings smoother and more professional. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.